Hello, welcome back to Aspirations with Mimi, and today it's gonna be a clothing haul. I'm gonna try on all these clothes, all these. With my friends.
Hi.
This is Aaron. That's Ania. And yeah, so it's gonna be a long video, guys.
Hey.
And it's workable.
Yeah.
Okay, let me not. So yes, this is first outfit.
Fix the top. And fix.
Where? Help me out, bro. Thanks. Thanks. I didn't tie these all the way because I didn't feel like untying them. But yeah. This is first outfit. It's kind of like a fall, summery kind of outfit.
I probably rate it like a 7 because it looks kind of like it's cute, but is it supposed to be like muted?
Yes.
Okay.
You said muted?
Yeah, like it
Yeah,
looks kind of like
supposed to be
Yeah.
muted, like a little bit.
Mhm.
I say it's a 7.
Together or separately? Separately? Let me.
Ow.
My bad.
It's a regular shirt.
Yeah, I know. But I think it looks cute. Not together.
Okay.
So I like the skirt alone. They can't see me.
It looks like it'll be
I
really
like
breathable for the fall weather.
Yeah, I love the skirt and the kind of colors and stuff like that because it's out of the box. And then the top I like as well.
Cool. All right.
Yeah. Oh, my bad. Rating it 7
Felt it.
or 6.9.
Why are you so difficult?
Why is it 0.1
That's
point?
all I want to know. Why are you so difficult, bro? Hey, that's it. Guys, ready?
Yeah.
Why is it always something you do when I...
Okay, I really
Oh,
like this.
yes. Yes,
I like the off the shoulder.
yes. Me too. What, did you try it a different way?
Yeah,
Okay.
it's up. I really like this.
You know how to fix that. There
I
you
keep
go.
forgetting to fix things before I come out. Yes. This is what it is. Yes, okay. I like this.
Yes,
Green.
look at her booty. It doesn't it look nice? My bad.
Okay.
Copyright strike.
Copyright
No,
strike.
not copyright strike. Demonetized.
Okay.
Right.
So I'm gonna give you first. You go first. This time.
I really like this, so I give it more. Even though we're coming into fall colors, yes, except for the white. But I still like breaking the rules. White. And
I always wear the rules like that.
Aaron has all these like lengthy things.
Yeah.
It's gonna be like.
So I give it a 9.8.
Oh. What the? What? Okay, you know what? Yeah, okay.
Because I'm Aaron.
I just wish, like, I'm giving it an 8 only because, like, even though I really do like it, I wish the shorts were like more, like, fitted.
Yeah.
I don't like it a little bit. Cause think about it. Yeah, I know. But think about it. Oh, you mad?
Or
you
not.
mad?
I'm about to,
Okay.
demonetize your video. That's what.
I don't get money for this. Anyway, yeah. So I don't think I would like it if the shorts are fitted.
As long as you're comfortable.
Two fitted things look weird to me.
Is the top fitted to you?
Yeah, a little bit.
I think
this
I
right
think
here.
it could be more fitted. Yeah, all together.
Okay.
That's good too.
Okay.
Ooh.
We can be twins because I
I
have
was about
literally
to
the same
say,
exact
I
dress.
was about to say the same thing.
Oh, I kind of like this one. Kind of very dancey.
I like the dress.
Well, it's kind of.
I like it.
Let me see it before you.
Oh, yes.
Oh, that's better. Actually, better material than my
Yes.
dress.
Then yes.
We gonna get
Yes.
the one
Oh.
Andy, you ain't getting no money. No ads.
Okay, so yeah.
I
like
love
this.
that. I love that. I give it a 10.
How much was that one?
You baits me, bro. I started buying clothes.
I rated a 10 because I actually
Yeah,
would
10.
wear and purchase
Oh,
a
I wish you
Christmas
picked the
Yeah.
last one.
if I didn't already have
Maybe
the
the
dress.
last one.
Yeah, I would wear it and purchase it as well, which I'm going to, by the way, so we can all be triplets.
We
So
say
it's
I
your
already
own
have
black
the
dress.
dress.
Yep.
No, because you guys both have the ruffles.
Well,
That
Puerto
same
Rico,
dress.
y'all, it's not the same dress,
I mean,
It looks exactly
it
like
looks
the same.
exactly
Okay, well,
like it.
but you're not buying it from Rome.
Except mine has like a string that goes
Okay,
up
no,
and
not
down.
wrongly. Shein. I'm buying mine. Oh,
Sorry.
man.
Sorry.
I'm gonna look for a dress like that on Shein.
So you guys like it because I got a 10 out of 10.
Yes.
Highest rating. This is signature outfit. All right. Wait, hold on.
A.
Can't twerk. Can't twerk when you're a black girl on YouTube.
Let's go like this.
Okay.
Yes.
So think of the vision I had.
Yes.
All right. So I got this shirt, right? I got the thigh highs, and I like that. With
Yeah.
a little big head.
Show the
Okay.
camera.
All right. Wait, I got velvet biker shirts on.
Yes.
Okay, velvet biker shirt.
I know. Yes.
Demonetized.
Okay. All right.
I really like that. I really like your shape, so like I like things that fit your shape, or you know that accentuate.
Okay. Yeah.
I
But like
really
this
the
shirt, I was
What
thinking.
does it say?
Something.
Something.
Yeah, I never knew what it said.
Something pink.
Oh yeah.
I never knew what it said.
Spirit.
Sure, let's go with that. But
Yeah, maybe.
Spirit.
I'm gonna figure it out the next time you wear it.
Oh, I jiggled my booty a little bit. Don't demonetize me. Okay. All right.
I'll give it a 7. I feel like the quality of the t-shirt could be better.
Oh, I didn't even feel the quality of the t-shirt.
But as far as the leggings, like the leggings get like a 10.
It's not leggings.
I mean,
I'm not cutting that out, and I'm not. I'm gonna zoom in on that face.
Just
the biker shorts get a 10 and the shirt gets a 7.
Very much.
the shorts get.
Because I would
I
wear those
really,
biker shorts myself.
yeah. I give the biker shorts a 10. The shirt an 8.
Could you see the vision I had?
No, I just like the shirt.
Oh, okay. Well, this is.
But I do see your vision.
Let me just put up the shirt. This shirt. This is gonna be the same kind of shirt, to be honest. So, same kind of deal.
Oh.
Yeah, I like that. Oh yeah, I would like that as a crop top, but of course it's cutting out
Oh,
his
yeah.
thing.
I like this.
Of course, like a crop top with the picture shifted.
All right, so 7.
I say that's like a 8. I like the style of that shirt better because it fits more with my style.
Oh yeah. That looks like different material, but never mind. It looks the same. Never mind. I give that shirt an 8.
Cool.
Same.
Excuse me.
I didn't feel like taking off the shirt to put back on the shirt.
Makes sense.
So, yeah.
Makes sense.
But yeah, I like these shirts very much. That's the only reason I bought these 2 shirts, because I wanted to put the pair with some shirts. But yes, look, it's so soft. Okay. Now, shoes. I guess we could just continue. Ooh, shit. It's too late. They saw it. Alright. That's the weirdo in here. I'm just kidding. So yeah, there's
No, she
shoes. Shoes. Yeah.
Oh, it's a bag.
I'm gonna put these laces in later. But these shoes, let me turn on the other side. I like them very much. Okay, what y'all think about shoes?
With laces, I feel they'll look better, of course. White, I love how white they are, but I'm so scared about how white they are.
Oh, I'm never walking in these bitches. Shoot, I cuss. I'm never walking in these. I mean, sometimes YouTube don't understand words. So I'm walking in the wolf building, in the king building with this, but
I give the shoes an 8.
an A. An A?
They're personally not my style because you already know I love heels and flats. But judging by like the quality and how they look, I will give them a 9.
Okay, I accept that. But an 8?
An 8's good though.
An 8?
It ain't still good.
An 8? I'm just kidding. Okay, I'm gonna put on my other shoes now.
Oh yeah.
I didn't stop the video.
You only got 2 pairs of shoes?
Yeah. Yes, I do.
I already
No.
know this is gonna be a 10 out of 10 for me. I already know.
No, like,
because I
she
want
know-
them actually. For
She put them on her feet. I was like, oh my gosh.
that would be perfect with my my neon green tank top I have. It's, I want those.
My feet look ugly right now. Okay. Anyway,
Yeah, those are definitely a 10 out of 10.
sandals.
Oh, you are already recording. Oh,
Yeah,
hello.
sandals. Actually, let me take off one so you can see it clearly. Makeup swatches.
Yes, makeup.
Okay, yeah. So, just what I got on my feet right now.
10.
Well, you heard it here, folks. I'm just kidding. But yeah. So I really like these. I really like the way they look. I like how they fit on my foot. If I could actually put it on my foot. And, ooh, they a little snap. Can I hear that?
I
Can
love
you hear the
when my
snap,
shoes- I don't know why. I
Yes.
love when pups do that.
Can
I've
you
been
hear the
walking
snap,
these
snap?
mornings,
Okay.
like,
Yeah, just.
Ooh, I like this so much. I gotta always have my toes done, but I like this so much.
Well, that's what sandals, period.
I mean, yeah. Me like this. Alright, so that's the end of my clothing haul with my friends. This is our new apartment, by the way. I might do an apartment tour soon. If our shit gets together. If our stuff gets together. I'm gonna get demonetized. That's it. That's it.
You're on. You're out.
I'm out. But yeah, as soon as we get everything together, I'm gonna show y'all the apartment. All right, cool. Thanks for watching, and I hope you
for
enjoyed
watching.
it. You gonna say bye? All right. Okay, bye.